guys, so today's video is proudly sponsored by BEA. They sent me one of their best units and I said I was going to introduce it to you guys and like review it. So this is how the package came. I know the unit we're working with, I've seen it on their website, but I've not unboxed this. I've not even done like a sneak peek into what's in here, so let's do that together. So it came in this shiny box and we also have thank you notes from BEA. BEA, what is in here? What did you send me? This is the unit we're working with today. We'll get into that later, but my order also came with these, guys. For those that do not know this is for like my scarf to match with the lace. That's if we need it. Well, I don't think we need it because. And we also have wig cap. And we have this pamphlets. Okay, how to take care of your wig, care recommendation, and majorly things you need to know about your wig and how to take care of your wigs. You need to own a wig from them to get this. This is very, very important, not just for this particular wig brand. It shows you and tells you how to like take care of all your wigs. So thank you so much, BEA, for that. Thank you. So today's unit is the Brazilian Virgin Pixie Cut Bob Natural Color medium size cap wig. Ooh, nice. This is the wig construction. All lace, like lace is everywhere. It's a 360 wig and I'm gonna try this before we get into the styling, but I don't think you need to do much on this wig because this is it. Nice. The lace is HD, by the way. I know I look like I don't know how I look, but I look funny. But that's the process. That's it. We're heading somewhere, we're getting somewhere. So guys, this is how the wig looks and comes. You can see the lace goes right till this point. There's lace everywhere. So let's get into styling this wig. First thing first, I'm going to tighten this because I'm trying to install this wig without glue. So I'm going to tighten this and secure my lace. That's this. It's currently here. So I'm going to move it somewhere around here or here. I'm also going to do the same thing to this side so it secures my wig because I'm avoiding using glue. So all I need to do is remove the strap and strap it here. I'm gonna do this one because I want it pretty tight. Do you see it? I did not do any magic. So here is it. I'm gonna do this in front of the camera so you guys can see. All I need to do is unstrap this. Where are you? Okay, I need to unstrap this and drag, then put it in here, and that is it. You can see how this side is looking now. So it's just gonna give me extra security at the back of my hair. Let's fit it one more time. Besides, guys, the wig comes with extra combs. This is the comb for the back, this comb here, and another comb here, plus this comb in the front, here. So I really don't have anything to worry about. My wig is very secured and that is it. So I'm going to, oh yeah, better. it's a lot tighter, and yeah, this is better. It's holding me very well now. So let's cut this lace. Let's do this together. Get a pair of scissors and cut, cut, cut. Oh, trying not to cut my hair. That's the wig, and I'm just gonna cut around it. Besides, I'm only going to cut the back to this point, then place the wig on my head to cut the front, so I see what I'm doing. So when you're doing this, you need to be super careful so you don't cut the hair, because it's everywhere. Oh, this hair, stay in one place now. Let me cut you. Guys, I think I should have taken this wig in a size small, honestly, because I don't know. I think I should have taken it in a size small, but nothing spoiled. Nothing spoiled. Next time I should, or I will, tell them a size small, because now I think I have to use a glue or melting spray. So let me get that. I'm going to be using a melting spray. So here I'm using my melting spray because I want the lace to melt with my skin evenly. Like I said earlier, this wig is a bit big and it's my fault actually. I should have taken a size small, but we're gonna fix this. Definitely it's something we can work with. So I'm using the melting spray instead of the glue. So I'm gonna use my elastic band now to melt this lace. Guys, I told you earlier this wig already came with a comb to secure the wig, but this is just extra security. So guys, since this wig is a coily wig, this is a Pixie cut coily bob wig, I'm using my styling mousse to define the coils. You can use water and conditioner if that's what you have. It will still give you the same result, but I have my styling mousse and that's what I'm using to define these coils. Guys, you can also use water and conditioner for this part, that's to define the coils. I'm currently using my mousse. I have a bit of water in my palm and that's what's giving these coils. These coils are so nice. Let's see. Okay, that's fine. That's better. I'm just gonna brush this lace, brush these hairlines out of my face so I can cut the lace. Let me see something here. Yeah, hold on.
And there you have it, a look. Guys, kindly let me know what you think about this installation video in the comment section. What do you think about this unit? Is it something you would want to get? But for me, I honestly love this hair, and first time trying this kind of wig suits me. I'm shocked and really happy with the result. Do not forget to check the description box below for further details on this wig, and also do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Guys, this is 8 inches natural color Pixie cut coily bob wig, and this is a wig under the sunlight. Like, this is natural light, no ring light or anything. This is how this unit would look on you outside. You can also see the hairline. It's really undetectable and melts very well on my skin. I hope today's video was super helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next video.